So I spent a few more minutes hammering and dollying on this thing, and I'm getting it really close. Just keep working it. It's almost out of there. You can the big crease that was up in here, basically I think it was right here. It's gone. I can still feel a little bit of low spot right here. He said I can only work on it like maybe a couple minutes at a time because it's just so hard to reach inside of there and put any pressure on. Just keep slowly working at that using the slapper tool. It covers a little more area. Well, it's looking really good compared to what it was before I started. Can't see that very well. Put it on the side here. All right, well, there you go. I'm gonna spend a couple more minutes on it and then she'll be good. Anyways, everybody, thank you for following along. I know this has been one extremely long video. I hope you just fast forward through those boring parts. And anyways, thank you and take care.